what I saw in Aspire on that first day was that I had a vague understanding that a lot of these tools and systems were needed, but didn't have any real concrete idea of how to go about finding them or fine-tuning them myself or even using them once we had them. So Aspire providing something of a roadmap and a structure for that sort of just helped us along in that process. We got to it quicker, faster, with less in the way. We used the PSA, I'd say 5 or 6 days after that one-day conference with Aspire. We closed that job immediately. We closed the next, I don't know, 7 jobs that we brought up with PSA. That process has been immensely helpful. Obviously, we're seeing a lot more cash in for our time in the pre-con process, and we're frankly looking a lot more professional in doing so to prospective new clients. Our close rate was abysmally low. 1 in 10, 1 in 5, and I mean of the people that we wanted to close. So having the PSA is kind of a small step in this process that people feel much more comfortable making. It also really helps take them off the market. Initiating that one was probably the single largest instant change that we saw. My name is Jacob Froneberger, Greenport Construction Incorporated. We're in San Rafael, California. We have our own millwork shop where we do custom millwork. We're doing general construction remodels and new builds.